being your host this evening, but I do have the privilege of performing a small piece for all of you. It is titled Blossom, and it is for each and every one of you who has faced or who are facing challenges and hardships on your journey forward and upward. But today especially, this is for all women here, brilliant and beautiful women here who are continuing to pave this path for us. And this is titled Blossom. And here I go in 3, 2. I hope you try your best and fall flat on your face. You run the fastest, but it's the wrong race. Hope you finally find friends and they all turn out fake. You make the hardest choice and it's the biggest mistake. I hope you fall in love and it kills you bad. Someone hurts you and you hurt them back, and when you try to fly, I hope the sky splits open, you figure out the system and it's all broken. I hope when everything's at stake, you stupidly risk it. There's a knife in your back and someone smiles and twists it, and when blood and tears gush out, they spill, and you have to let them against your will, because that's what will feed the sapling of your being. Make you understand all the things you weren't seeing. But before all of that, you'd want the sky to split open and the sun to burn, that the rain would crawl back and this earth would turn. You'd wish for the night to end and for the day to never start, wish for the clocks to rewind and to break them all apart. It will take some time, but it's going to make sense in your mind. How this doesn't matter, how it never can. This world is indifferent to all, but it favors the man. Dive within you and you'd want this earth to turn again. Fix what's inside you and you'll be waiting to twirl with the rain. How you will wake up with the dawn and sleep beside the heart. How you will start mending clocks as you start mending your heart. How you will be one with the universe as you start looking within. There's a reason humans don't pause, but just keep on living. It's only when you go through hell. It's only when you go through hell and come out whistling. When you scream out your bleeding heart without anyone listening, when you wipe your own tears and confront a million fears, head held up high, look back on your worst tears, that's when you say loud and clear. I've been through it all, I've seen the worst of it. I've broken down these walls, I've endured every hit. I'm not the same soul that once stood so tall. I still get scared, but I have courage of my own. I'm a brand new person, I feel it in my bones. Hi, nice to meet you. It's me, I have grown. Thank you.